This 5-minute solution will show you how to recover Snapchat account photos, videos, and chat on iPhone. To get back your Snapchat deleted photos, videos, chats, follow these simple and quick steps. Launch your Snapchat app and tap on your profile photo at the top left. Tap on Settings. Scroll down. Under Privacy Control section, tap on My Data. Enter here your Snapchat account username or email address. Tap on Next. Start puzzle. Solve this puzzle. Now enter here your Snapchat account password. Then you will jump into data available for download page. Here enable this option, include your memories and other saved media. Then scroll down and tap on Next. Now select here the time range and enter here your email address and tap on Submit. Then you will get a download link to your email address with your photos, videos, and Snapchat chats. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5 Minute Solution. See you in the next video.